In today's video, I'll simply show you on how you can delete part of an object in Tinkercad. So I've managed to make this design right here or shape. And if you simply want to delete a part of your object or shape, it's really simple. In here we have basic shapes like a box, a cylinder, and a circle. So you want to choose the whole part right here, which is going to be the whole objects. Now we have a solid and we have a hole. So let's say that I want to delete this part of this object. And I also want to delete a circle part, which is going to be this one. We also want to make sure that you insert your objects inside the part of the shape that you want to simply delete. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And let's do the same thing for the cylinder, or I mean the square. So from there, it's as simple as combining them all together. And basically with that, we have managed to delete a part of an object. So if you want to edit this like this one, maybe you can make them bigger. You can simply just do the same thing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.